Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can automatically match cut audio on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to the audio section here. I'm going to add in this audio. You can obviously use any audio that you want. Then when you're done, you're just going to select this auto beats option, and it's going to give you two options. There's beat 1 and there's beat 2. So beats 2 has more beats than the first one, and you can even add in your own by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard or using your mouse to just press the button. And to delete the beats, just go over it and press Ctrl J again, and you can also again select the button, this one. To clear everything, just select clear beats, and that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!